1984 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible Biarritz. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and bows, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. Frame and floor pans are solid, lower doors are solid, paint is in good condition. And this was the return of the Cadillac convertibles. In the late 70s, manufacturers quit producing them due to safety regulations. And they only made it for 2 model years, 84 and 85. She has the 4.1 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. And the deck lid is automatic latch. Interior's in good condition. Seats show minor wear. Back seat nice and clean. Convertible top functions as it should. Mileage reads a little over 34,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. That's the 4.1 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She's fuel injected. She's got power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control. Let's start her up. Now make sure y'all go over and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. It's running nice and smooth. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one.